Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush Battle Royale. We have Mewtwo Cup over here, attack up for Psychic Pokemon. We have tiers EDC. We'll try to do all Pokeball tiers in this video. That means I'm going to spend 200 gems / diamonds to finish 2 additional stages. Not sure if that's smart or stupid, but I want to finish all the tiers one by one, per day. And this is Pokeball tier letter E. We have our strong Pokemon. We won't switch. We'll stick to this. And I think this needs an equipment. We're going to give him charge boost because it doesn't take a long time to charge Zap Cannon. And with that said, I think we're ready. Begin. The HP are kind of high. That's it. No damage, Porygon. How could you? That was Pokeball Tier E. We're moving to D. Pokeball Tier D. Just going to battle. No need to think other things. Here we go. Did you do anything, Porygon? You didn't do anything again. 3,720 points. Pokeball Tier D. We're moving to C. Pokeball Tier C. Battle. Come on, do something, Porygon. Do something. Yes, I think he finally did something. Yes, Porygon finally MVP, guys. That was Pokeball Tier C. And we're spending 200 diamonds to go for B and A. Here we go. We're spending 100 for you guys. Pokeball Tier B. Whoa, so strong. Did you see that 8,000 something damage? You win. You win. Porygon is the MVP again. Close. We have 5,800 points. Good. And last but not the least, we have Pokeball Tier A. Spending another 100 diamonds for you guys. Here we go, guys. Pokeball Tier A. Let's begin. Charge and boom. Awesome. Charge and boom. Awesome. Porygon again MVP. As long as the opponent stays in one place and doesn't die immediately, Porygon will do the job, guys. That's it for this video. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you with great ball tiers C, B, and A tomorrow. That's it. Thank you for watching. Royale.